Ian Stewart, Figments of Reality, The Evolution of the Curious Mind. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey of discovery as you delve into the summary of Ian Stewart's Figments of Reality, The Evolution of the Curious Mind. This book tackles the origins of life, the process of evolution, and the development of the unique human consciousness that sets us apart from other creatures. From the origins of the universe and the formation of galaxies to the molecular foundations of life, this summary breaks down complex concepts into digestible and engaging information. You'll not only learn about the development of Earth and its diverse life forms, but also explore how the human mind evolved through intricate processes to give rise to our mental faculties of imagination, creativity, and morality. Dive in to unravel the mysteries of the human condition and the complex interplay of mind and culture.
Origin of Life. The origin of life is a fascinating tale that started with the formation of inorganic matter. The universe started as a tiny dot filled with energy that exploded, inflating the universe to a massive space. Over millions of years, matter clumped together to form different elements, which later gave birth to galaxies and stars. Our planet Earth was created through a collision of atoms and molecules, and eventually, a replicating system emerged that paved the way for life as we know it. These replicators gained different properties, such as the ability to produce oxygen and movement in the atmosphere, which further mutated and evolved into increasingly complex organisms. It is reasonable to assume that life gradually began spontaneously as a result of chemistry rather than a single miraculous event. The emergence of human intelligence. The development of human beings is a natural occurrence within the universe's impersonal and accidental happenstance. Humans have evolved from other creatures, but they have unique qualities of mind that distinguish them from other animals. Science provides the most successful way of understanding the external universe, although it doesn't have all the answers about what caused evolution. The difference between ancient Earth and the planet we inhabit today lies not in its atoms, but in its molecules. These are now more diverse and have complicated organizations. The human mental facility is uniquely designed to emphasize the areas of reality that interest you most. It helps construct a conceptual map of reality to guide decision-making and problem-solving. This intelligence interacts with culture through complicity, producing the unique minds only humans possess. The chemistry of life. Life is built upon chemical activities, and the atom called carbon plays a crucial role. Carbon atoms can form stable skeletons that allow all other atoms in a molecule to attach. However, life could potentially arise from other types of molecules too. Humans, like rocks and air, are created from ordinary matter. Through organic matter's intrinsic ability to organize itself, more complex molecules and eventually life forms emerged. DNA, a molecule that replicates and sometimes mutates, led to the development of increasingly complex cells that formed multicellular creatures. The mind co-evolved with the physical evolution of the brain and body, and its development was enabled by the non-genetic transfer of survival information from parents to offspring. Gradually, human intelligence with imagination, creativity, and morality evolved. The human condition is a result of the complicit interaction between culture and individual minds. The emergence of intelligence. The development of complex forms of intelligence can be best understood by examining the context in which they arise. This involves looking at the larger environment, or phase spaces, in which systems are embedded. Applying game theory can help us test theories and determine likely scenarios. This approach is necessary for understanding why questions, such as why a particular process occurs. The human brain has taken 4,000 million years to evolve into its current, highly complex form. While scientists have made significant progress in understanding neural functioning on a cellular level, we still do not fully understand how the brain processes something as basic as the sound of a bird singing. Rather than solely focusing on neural functioning, it is important to examine the brain's functioning in the larger context of society and the environment. Mathematical concepts, such as game theory and chaos theory, are also useful in understanding the emergence of intelligence. Game theory emphasizes the importance of context in determining winning or losing moves. Chaos theory shows that order can emerge from apparent randomness if simple rules are followed. This concept is likened to how the brain seeks to find simple rules in the environment to draw meaning from it. In summary, to understand the emergence of intelligence, we must look beyond reductionist thinking and examine the context in which it arises. By applying theories such as game theory and chaos theory, we can better understand the complex interactions that lead to the emergence of intelligence. The evolutionary game. Evolution is the general mechanism that enables systems to become more complex and organized. Under natural selection, all animals produce too many offspring, and those that survive and breed contribute to the next generation. Siblings compete for food and attention, contributing to evolution. Other factors that affect survival and breeding include stress, disease, and adapting to a changing environment. The DNA molecule introduced variation into reproduction, leading to greater complexity, startling abilities, and the ability to organize itself. Eventually, early hominids developed from an ape ancestor, evolving in different directions. Humans first originated in Africa about 5 million years ago, and chimps are our closest living relatives, sharing about 98% of our DNA. The process occurred through the interaction of genetics with the environment, such as the invention of new rules and parenting. Evolution is like a game that started when the first replicating molecules accidentally or inevitably developed and has never stopped. Modern humans are the winners in that 5-billion-year-old evolutionary game.
Having journeyed through the summary of Figments of Reality, you now have a broader understanding of life's beginnings, the intricacies of evolution, and the development of the uniquely curious human mind. Ian Stewart invites his readers to consider the role of culture and higher-level organization in the evolution of our mental faculties. Along with discussing the mind-brain duality and human intelligence, the book embraces game theory, phase spaces, and the interplay between order and chaos to showcase the web of interconnected processes that shape our existence. The development of Homo sapiens as the accidental byproduct of cosmological forces, and our unmatched mental abilities highlight how we have become the winners in an ongoing evolutionary game. Embrace this enriching knowledge and ponder the ways in which our minds, society, and universe are fascinatingly intertwined.